Hi guys, it's Jen from Mission Adventuring. So a couple of tips for you. Let's say that you would like to go to Budapest. We just happen to be there. So I wanted to give you a little tip about coming to Budapest just to explore Hungary when you've never been here before and you may be trying to save some money. One of the things is to take a look at their calendar and find out when there's events going on. They have great street events. We just happened to make it on one of the weekends that they had the St. Stephen's Festival. You can hear that going on around us. We'll show you some pictures of that. But a tip for you is to stay in the city center, because in some cities that's exactly where the action is, you know? Right over my shoulder here, you'll find the Intercontinental Hotel. That's a great hotel to stay at. One of the reasons why is because it's right next to the footbridge, the famous chain bridge in Budapest. And the chain bridge helps you walk over to the Buda side. Buda's on one side of the Danube River and Pest is on the other. And it's so great to be close to both of them because it makes walking very, very easy. Right out in front of the Intercontinental Hotel, also the Sofitel Hotel, you'll find the number 2 tram, which goes up and down the Danube, and you can get to everything pretty easily. But they also rent bikes, they rent motor scooters, they rent pretty much anything. So even if walking is difficult for you, this is still a very doable city without spending a whole lot of money. They have all those things that you come to know and love when you travel, which are like hop on, hop off buses and things like that. But don't feel like you have to do that. We've been here for 2 days. We haven't done really one tour at all. We've just walked around and we've enjoyed the local beer and a lot of the local foods. If you Google it before you come, we found like 7 things that Hungary's known for, and we've tasted just about 5 of them so far. So I just encourage you to just spend a little time. Don't think that you have to spend a great deal of money to come and explore. You can even give us a call. We can let you know which cities are running specials on airfare, which make it easier for you to come, and save your money. Just enjoy being out in the culture and watching the people and experiencing daily life in a foreign country. That's it. Have a great day.